Okay, welcome everyone. Today, doing an unboxing of the Tamiya TT02 Mercedes AMG GT3 kit. Ever since I've seen this kit, basically fell in love with the body shell. It's just a standard TT02 underneath, which I've got a couple of them already, but just the body on this thing just made me want one. So we'll get to unboxing that in a second. First, just want to go through some of the parts that I've got along with it for the build. First up, got a full bearing set. A lot of these parts are from Yeah Racing, like this. Comes with some oil, a full set of bearings. If you're going to be building a Tamiya kit and it doesn't have bearings, I'd recommend getting them straight up if you're going to be running it a few times. It'll save going back later and doing it when the bushings wear out. Next thing is just a bigger pinion gear in the Tamiya pitch, so I don't have to go worry about changing spur gears and that. Just put a bigger pinion on. I don't want this thing to go a million miles an hour. I do want it to be more of a bit of a scale look, so I'm not out for outright speed. Next part, some toe-in rear blocks, rear hub carriers, sorry, just from Yeah Racing again. They'll give a bit more rear stability having some toe-in. Next part is adjustable steering arms. Once again, this will give you a lot of adjustment for a small price. Being able to adjust your toe in and toe out at the front can change the characteristics of how it handles and turns. So it's always a good investment to get. And the last bit I've got at the minute is a metal motor mount, just to take some of the heat away and give it a bit more secure mount and to be fully adjustable. The only other parts I'm waiting on to arrive is a shock kit, and that'll about do it for the minute. So we'll get them out of the way and get to the car. Alright, sorry for the camera change. I actually had two cameras going when I recorded this, and unfortunately the one that had the audio switched on decided to die at this point. So I'll continue the unboxing. The first bag I put out there was just all your screws, hardware, metal parts. Here's the speed controller. I quite like these units. Brushed or brushless. You can even run censored. And I've had one of these on one of my son's cars short out when one of the wires touched. The speed controller stopped for a moment. Once I unplugged everything, plugged it back in, kept on going. Here's that beautiful body. And a lot of the modern Mercedes that I really don't think are very good looking cars, in my opinion, but this isn't one of them. Absolutely love the shape of it and the look of it. As an added bonus, I didn't know this, actually comes with a proper polycarbonate wing and proper razors, compared to a lot of Tamiya bodies that have the solid plastic. Scale rims. I'm going to put the decals on these just like the box shows, because I think that just looks absolutely stunning how the box art is. We're getting into the plastic parts now. You've got some suspension and gearbox parts in this bag. Your main chassis. As there's nothing special out of this, but they do give you light buckets in polycarbonate. No light kit, but they give it more of a scale look. And once again, it's because I do like this body so much, I will be putting the extra effort into that. More suspension parts, all the drive train shafts and cups, and more of the chassis parts. So that's about it for this unboxing. The rest is just your foam bumper, your instructions, decals. I hope you enjoy this video. If you do, please give it a like and share. And let me know in the comments below if you want to see a build on this car, or if you just want to see it when it's finished. So I hope everyone has a great day. Hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll catch you next time.